What is 3D bioprinting? Can we really print artificial organs, bone and tissue in the lab? What are the limitations of this technology?
Revolutionary advances in 3D printing, along with the development of amazing biomaterials, which can be seamlessly integrated into the body, have opened a world of exciting possibilities. We are not far away from the time when every major hospital will have a 3D printing facility.
This course tells the story of this revolution. The University of Wollongong is a leading university renowned for its innovative research. In this free online course, you will get a unique snapshot of the technological applications of 3D printing used within a medical context, including that of human organ replacement.
We introduce a range of biomaterials that can be incorporated into medical devices through the use of 3D printing.
We will illustrate the impact that 3D printing already has on our ability to create customised medical devices, including the 3D printing of personalised titanium implants using selective laser melting, creation of customised maxillofacial implants, and the promise for lab-grown organs structured through the inkjet printing of living cells.
This is an area at the innovative forefront of medical advancement, with applications spanning into public health and wellbeing subject areas. Join us on a journey of discovery where science fiction is becoming a reality, and find out what is possible right now and what is possible in the future.